Patrick, today we're here to talk about the bank rate adjustment that happened yesterday.
Yes, the Fed cut their rate 25 basis points, as expected.
Yes,
As expected.
yeah, they've been talking about this, gosh, for how long? Months?
Yes, as a matter of fact, the markets themselves, and especially with mortgage rates, had that cut had already been kind of what's called baked into pricing. So we've seen rates ease a bit the last few weeks, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
They are the lowest they've been in over a year right now.
Great.
Yeah. Now, the ironic thing is, though, with the cut yesterday, there's some other factors that contribute to what interest rates are like, including inflation, the labor market, and so forth. Rates actually went up slightly yesterday.
Go figure, right?
I know.
Because the bank rate is not equal to the interest rate
It does not
cuts.
drive, it's not a one-to-one relationship.
It's the cost of the money that the banks,
Right.
exactly, that they borrow.
Exactly.
Yeah, so interesting piece here to note there.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the predictions? I'm hearing some like maybe before the end of the year we might see this bank rate adjustment a couple more times. Or?
Yes, that's the general consensus, that we're probably going to see 2 more cuts by the end of the year, and hopefully that will continue to suggest that rates are going to continue easing some.
Right.
Not anything precipitous,
right?
But they will continue to ease. We've seen rates in the mid to lower 6s for some buyers, even without being charged points, which is always something to keep in mind. As a matter of fact, I was able to quote 6.125 for a fellow yesterday with what's called Fannie Mae's Home Ready program, which it does have some income limits, but that was just a straight up interest rate, not anything special, and no extra fees or anything.
No first time home buyer program or anything. Exactly. With a better rate.
Exactly.
That's interesting. So, for the buyers out there that are shopping lenders, I mean, of course, we highly recommend you, but there are some out there that are, of course, want to shop a couple rates, and
absolutely.
Sometimes they come to you and they say, gosh, I got, quarter a point less than what have you. So what's going on with that? Why is that?
Okay. One of the biggest things is that when you see a disparity in rates like that, a quarter point, half a point, that kind of thing, because all of us, to be honest, all of us are within this of each other. Most of the time. A lot of times it's that the buyer is being charged discount points. Discount points are upfront fees that you pay in exchange for lowering the interest rate. And that's why it's always good for buyers to get quotes that line out all of the costs so that you can see the points being charged. So as a matter of fact, I had a fellow flip me over one that he got today, literally an hour ago, saying that he was beating me by about a third of a point.
Wow.
But he's being charged over a point to get that. He's being charged over $7,000 to get that rate difference. So does it make sense? They're not always a bad thing. They're not always a good thing. It's a matter of knowing if you're going to spend this much money up front, how much money are you going to save on a monthly basis, and then how long is it going to take you to make up that money you paid? So for instance, real quick example, nice and easy math. Let's say you're going to pay $5,000 up front to lower your interest rate. If it saves you $100 a month, it's going to take you 50 months to break even.
Oh, wow,
So in that 50 months, are you going to refi? Are you good and you think you're going to keep it long term? Whereas if you save $200 a month, you're going to break even in 25 months. Does that make more sense? So again, it comes down to look at the fees, look at costs, and then look at the break-even point for that. And if your lender isn't putting real numbers in front of you, find another one. Yes, I want you to come see me here at AnyMac, but I will also tell you there are a lot of very good lenders out there. So no buyer, no borrower should feel like they're getting railroaded. There's always a better lender out there.
Great.
All right.
Thank you for your time.
Absolutely.
And as always, reach out to Patrick. He's our #1 lender.